Alright guys, so the black Subaru that I've been doing so much work to lately, new speakers, etc. Today I actually went to Walmart to go buy a new stereo for it. I was going to get the dual din with the DVD touchscreen, just something real cheap and simple. Anyways, I picked that up and I got some new speakers for the back deck, and then on my way back I was just driving normal, like 65, 70, and the car just started shaking real bad, and I seen that the check engine light was on. And so the first service station I came to, maybe like a quarter mile, I stopped in there, and then this is what happened.
She's done.
So yeah, as you can see in that video, it's done. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. It's rod knock, and this car, I don't feel that I even want to spend the money on it rebuilding it, because it is an automatic and I've never really liked that about it. So I think I'm just gonna put this one up on Craigslist for a good deal, let somebody pick it up, and then I don't know, I'm gonna figure out another car maybe, or work on the STI that's broken down. Not totally sure yet, but definitely keep you updated. We'll see what happens. Maybe tomorrow's a new day, so you never know. See what's up. And to answer a quick question, am I even mad? I'm not even mad about it, because this car, it's a 06. It has 140,000 miles on it now, and I kind of expected it, at some point that it was going to go, just because it's not had the best life. When I first got the car, I was always out trying to find someone to race in it, and I don't know, I guess I'm surprised that it lasted as long as it did without at least breaking a ring lamp. So yeah, overall, not even mad.